In the previous video, I showed you guys this Audi Rs3 that we had purchased for only £8,000, which was super cheap for what it is. So this car has been previously repaired and it was hit again on the same side that was repaired, revealing the excessive amount of filler that we used along that lower arch and that sill as well. This is all the filler I removed from this Rs3. In this video, we will be replacing all our damaged panels with a new outer skin. So we'll start off by drilling out all our spot welds and making our cuts. So some of the spot welds are covered up by the seam sealer and a little bit of filler as well. So we are going to have to remove any seam sealer and filler to actually expose the walls. Then we can start drilling.
So we've drilled out all our spot welds and also made all our cuts. So ready for the next step, which is start removing the panel.
So the damaged outer skin is finally off. And if you take a look back here, guys, there's no damage to that panel behind, so that's nice and strong. If you take a look at this side, you'll see we have got a brand new panel which is going to be replacing the damaged panel. So we have bought this from the dealers. We paid about £700 for the full piece. Now we are not going to be using the full piece because if you take a look down here, guys, you'll see this piece that sticks out here, the roof actually sits on top of this piece, and that would mean you're going to have to remove the roof, the entire roof, to actually fit this panel on, and we're not going to be doing that. We are going to be making the exact same cuts that we made to the damaged panel to replace it. So yeah, we're going to make a start on that now, and let's get this new panel fitted up. With all the prep work out the way, we wanted to make sure the new panel and our doors are lined up as they should before we start welding. So we are ready now to actually get this car all sprayed up. But before we take it into the booth, I do want to show you guys that we have done the seam sealer. So all along here, you'll see we've done the seam sealer. Across the bottom bit, just here, we put the new panel on. That's all seam sealer as well. Other side of this arch, seam sealed. And also this little section here as well. So yeah, guys, we've done that. We've done the filler work. Primer's done as well. This car is ready to actually get all sprayed up now. We have removed the front bumper, but I'm going to show you guys why we removed the front bumper later on after we sprayed the car. So for now, let's get this car into the booth and let's get all these panels sprayed up.
So fast forward guys, as you can see the panels all being fitted and painted up. We painted majority of the car, the colour was kind of off, so we just decided to do the whole thing. So the back end is also complete. You can see the tailgates all aligned, lights and bumper. So that's pretty much done from the back side. So what we're doing now is finishing up on the inside. So you still got to put the back seat in and that front seat. Apart from that, all the panels on the inside, they're all being fitted back up. So I think once you've done that, we can start moving on to the outside of the car, when we got to do doors, the back door, the glass. So there's quite a few things left to do. Another thing that I want to mention guys is the front bumper that we actually were working on. I had a few cracks in it and stuff, and the brackets are actually missing after the car. So what we've done is we bought another bumper. So as you can see right here guys, we've freshly painted up another bumper and it's all ready to go as well. So it's all built back up. So what we'll do now is put the seats and the interior back in. So you're pretty much done with the RS3 build. We ended up painting most of the car because the colors were quite off. So yeah, everything all matches now. I mean, the paint jobs come out really nice. We've also cut and polished it off camera. So yeah, it's quite clean now. So, and also another thing I want to mention to you guys is the 4 wheels have been sent off for a refurb. And yeah, they look nice with the diamond cut on there. Before they had a lot of curb marks and stuff. So now obviously we've done most of the car. We thought why not send the wheels off and make the car look fresh.
Yeah, also guys, while the car was parked outside, somebody did actually steal the flappies that were on the car. So the original ones have gone missing. So we have replaced them with the carbon fiber flappies, and they have like a magnet in there, so it makes quite a nice sound. So yeah, they've got a nice feel to it. That's all set up as well. So this car is ready for the test drive now.
Yeah, so what we'll do is get out on the road and see how it drives on signs.